What's good, everyone? Welcome back to another model aircraft unboxing video. Today we are doing another 1-400, this time GeminiJets. I believe this is my first unboxing video of a GeminiJets plane, so I'm very excited for this. Today it's going to be the Lufthansa Airbus A350-900 tail Delta Alpha India X-Ray November, nicknamed Göttingen, in their current livery. This aircraft isn't a new release or anything, it's just, if you've been keeping up with my trip reports, you know that I was just on this exact aircraft, and I made a trip report on it. It was Munich to Denver, LH480, and as soon as I found out there was a GeminiJets model of it, I went and ordered it. I believe I got this one off eBay like I did with the Swiss 777 People's plane that I also unboxed in a different video, and now that I got it delivered, I am so excited to open it. Let's first take a look at the box. So we've got the outline of the drawing of the aircraft. Looks nice. The aircraft type and the tail number. Lufthansa brand, 1-400 GeminiJets logo. This is what we got on the back. And the cool thing about these GeminiJets boxes is that the front of them is a flap that you can open up, and then inside you can see the plane. Pretty useful feature if you're not sure if you want to get the plane or not, or don't know what to expect with it. And another really cool thing about it is that on the bottom of the flap we got the aircraft specifications, and on top some information on the Airbus A350. Now that that's all out of the way, it is time to unbox Göttingen the A350. So clearly the shipping was done well, as the aircraft was perfectly intact when I took it out of the box. Because I flew on this plane, I am glad I finally have this model in my hands. I believe when I was on this plane, I sat right around here. Oh, it was right above the cargo door. So it was, I think I looked out of one of these windows. 39K was my seat. And as expected from GeminiJets, this is a beautiful model, has enough details. I don't think it has quite as many details as the Aviation 400 Swiss 777, but it's enough. It's got gear tilt and spinning wheels. It's got the registration code, the name, and everything. Logo, Star Alliance logo. Yeah. GeminiJets logo on the bottom. And I believe the A350 has backward gear tilt like the 767. So this is how it's supposed to look. Although normally you'd display it like this. It doesn't come with a stand. The livery was done perfectly, and the mold was done perfectly as well. Yeah, I don't think I have anything critical to say about this model. It's definitely one I would recommend if you're looking for a good Lufthansa 1-400 Airbus A350. Though I don't know if GeminiJets still makes it. Like I said, this is not a new release. I only got it because I was actually on this plane. But if you find a good deal for it and want a good 1-400 Lufthansa A350, I would definitely recommend getting this one. I believe GeminiJets also has a 1-200 Lufthansa A350. That one is Delta Alpha India X-Ray Papa, also in the new livery. So if you want one of those and you're willing to spend a lot more money, you can get that too. I don't know how good that one is. I'd assume it's decent if this one's good. Anyways, thank you all for watching this unboxing video. Make sure to leave a like and to comment and to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more content like this. Hope you all have a good day.